In today's truck market, the word affordable is almost extinct. When was the last time you heard about a brand new pickup for under $20,000, let alone $12,000? Well, Toyota just dropped a bombshell. Meet the Toyota Hilux Champ, a small, tough, no-nonsense pickup that could shake up the entire industry.
The Toyota is committed to a multi-pathway strategy.
It's already making waves overseas. And if it lands in North America, it could give Ford, Hyundai, and even Toyota's own Tacoma a serious headache. But here's the twist. That $12,000 price tag is both real and not quite what you think. Stick around, because what Toyota is doing with this truck is not your typical budget vehicle play. The shock announcement. When Toyota's CEO revealed the Hilux Champ's entry price, just around $12,000 USD, jaws dropped. Why? Because in a time when compact pickups like the Ford Maverick and Hyundai Santa Cruz start in the mid-20,000s, Toyota is basically saying, we can give you a truck for half that. But before we all run to the dealership, here's the reality. The Hilux Champ isn't some luxury cruiser. This is a purpose-built, bare-bones workhorse. Think function over flash. And that's exactly why it has the potential to be a game changer. What is the Hilux Champ? First, let's clear something up. The Hilux Champ is not just a smaller Hilux. Yes, it borrows the legendary Hilux name, a badge that's been around since 1968 and earned a global reputation for durability. But the Champ is a different breed. Where the Hilux is a global mid-size legend, the Champ is designed for daily, light-duty tasks, urban deliveries, small business hauling, farm chores, and yes, weekend adventures. It's already on sale in Southeast Asia. In Thailand, it's the Hilux Champ. In Indonesia, it's called Rangga. In the Philippines, it's the Tamaral. And if Toyota brings it here, it would slot below the Tacoma, giving buyers a smaller, cheaper alternative. Why the US market needs it? Here's the thing. The US truck market has been going bigger, taller, and pricier for years. Full-size trucks dominate, mid-size pickups have gotten huge, and prices are pushing more and more buyers away. That's why the Ford Maverick exploded in popularity. There's a growing audience for smaller, affordable pickups that still get the job done. The Hilux Champ fits that perfectly. Budget-conscious buyers tired of 40K plus truck prices. Small business owners who just need a reliable light-duty hauler. First-time truck buyers who want something simple, easy to drive, and cheap to run. And unlike some compact trucks that are more lifestyle-focused, the Champ is unapologetically practical. The size advantage. Let's talk dimensions, because this is where the Champ really stands out. Globally, it comes in 3 configurations, but the chassis cab is the one that gets the $12,000 starting price. This is basically a truck frame with a cab, ready for you to customize. Want a cargo box, a flatbed, even an ice cream truck setup? You can build it. In terms of size, chassis, cab, 185 inches long. That's shorter than most compact pickups in the US. Standard wheelbase, 195 inches, almost identical to the Hyundai Santa Cruz. Long wheelbase, 209 inches. For those who want a bigger bed and more cargo space, still shorter than the Tacoma. In tight city streets or cramped job sites, this smaller footprint is a blessing. And off-road? That smaller body means you can slip through trails where bigger trucks struggle. Powertrain options. Toyota is offering 3 engines globally. 1. 2.0L gas, 137 horsepower, 135 Valve sub FT torque, 5-speed manual, RWD. 2. 2.7L gas, 165 horsepower, 181 lb FT torque, more balanced for daily hauling and light off-road use. 3. 2.4L diesel, lower horsepower but up to 295 Valve FT torque with a 6-speed auto, the Torque King, perfect for tough jobs. Now here's the catch. The diesel won't make it to the US. Emissions rules. Instead, Toyota is likely to offer a hybrid version, which could be a game changer if it matches the diesel's towing capability and delivers better fuel economy. Speaking of towing, the Champ is no slouch, up to 5,500 pounds. That's more than a Ford Maverick, Hyundai Santa Cruz, and even some mid-size crossovers. The $12,000 price tag, truth versus reality. Let's be honest, the headline-grabbing $12,000 starting price is exactly what made the Toyota Hilux Champ go viral. It's the kind of number that stops you mid-scroll and makes you think, wait, a brand new Toyota pickup for less than the price of a used Corolla? But as with anything in the automotive world, the devil is in the details. That $12K price applies to the most stripped-down version of the Champ, specifically in overseas markets like Thailand, where regulations, safety standards, and customer expectations are different from what we have in the United States. We're talking about a bare-bones chassis cab. No truck bed, no fancy electronics, no advanced driver assistance systems. Think manual windows, vinyl seats, a basic radio, and zero luxury touches. It's a workhorse in its purest form, designed for utility and nothing else. And in some parts of the world, that's exactly what buyers want. If Toyota decides to bring the Champ to North America, they can't just import it as is. US safety regulations and consumer preferences mean Toyota will have to make some key changes. Factory-installed bed. In the overseas base version, you get only the cab and chassis, and buyers add a custom bed or flatbed themselves. US customers expect at least a standard bed from the factory. Modern safety tech, things like airbags, ABS brakes, traction control, lane assist, and backup cameras are not optional in the US. They're mandatory. Interior upgrades. While the minimalist setup is fine for developing markets, American buyers are used to at least some creature comforts. Better seats, air conditioning, infotainment screens, and maybe even power windows in the base model. Those upgrades will add to the cost, and realistically, the US starting price would likely land closer to $20,000 to $22,000. And yet, even at that price, the Champ could still undercut the competition by several $1,000s, making it one of the most affordable brand-new trucks on the market. Toyota knows the marketing game here. Advertise that shockingly low overseas base price to get the buzz going, then offer multiple configurations so buyers can customize the truck to their needs and budget. Who will buy the Hilux Champ? The Hilux Champ is not for someone who wants heated leather seats, panoramic sunroofs, or a 15-inch infotainment screen. This is for people who see a truck as a tool first, lifestyle statement second. Here's who I see lining up for it. Tradespeople and small business owners, contractors, plumbers, landscapers. Anyone who needs a simple, dependable work rig without paying $50K for something overbuilt. Delivery drivers and urban workers. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver in tight city streets, while still offering a decent payload capacity. Farmers and rural buyers. A tough little hauler for hauling feed, tools, or small loads across rough terrain. Young drivers and first-time truck owners. A way to get into a new pickup without the crushing payments of a full size. In short, the Champ will appeal to practical buyers who value reliability, simplicity, and low operating costs over luxury badges and flashy features. The competition and why this matters. Right now, the compact pickup space in the US is dominated by the Ford Maverick, with the Hyundai Santa Cruz playing the more lifestyle-focused alternative. Both start well above the $20K mark, and neither really targets the bare-bones work truck market. If the Hilux Champ launches in the US with the right price and options, it could undercut the Maverick's base price by thousands. Offer more rugged and customizable setups than either rival. Let Toyota dominate both the mid-size truck segment with the Tacoma and the compact segment with the Champ. We could even see Toyota create an entirely new subcompact truck category in North America. Something even smaller and cheaper than the Maverick, for people who truly don't need a giant pickup. But this isn't just about one truck. The Hilux Champ represents a shift back towards simplicity. For decades, trucks have been getting bigger, heavier, more high-tech, and way more expensive than the average buyer needs. The Champ says, hey, not everyone needs a rolling luxury condo. Some of us just need a truck. Judging by how fast Ford sells out of Mavericks every year, Toyota might be onto something big here. If they get the pricing, marketing, and availability right, the Hilux Champ could completely change how Americans think about entry-level pickups. So, what do you think? If Toyota brings the Hilux Champ to the US for around $20K fully equipped, would you buy it over a Maverick or Santa Cruz? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm really curious to see how many of you are ready for a smaller, simpler Toyota truck. And if you love staying ahead of the curve on new trucks, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, because we've got more first looks and deep dives coming your way right here on Auto Xperience.